They are sweet, orange, and full of fall flavor. Just take one bite and you will want to savor it for later.
You can make it as a biscuit. You can put it in a pie. You can whisk it if you want. We're talking about sweet potatoes, and today we're making both. With us is in the DelmarvaLife kitchen. This is Terri Tribeck, who is the owner of Taste by Terri. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Last time you were here, you were making pepper relish.
Yes.
So we had the savory. Today we're going with the sweet. Yeah. So what we're going to do first?
We're going to do the sweet potato biscuits.
Biscuits, okay. What do we?
So-
I'm assuming you're putting me to work.
Yes.
You put this right in front of. What are we doing? What do I
So
do?
what we're going to do, we're going to dump the sweet potatoes in.
Here. Okay.
Dump her in.
Just go at it.
And is that already cooked and mashed?
Yeah, sorry. It's already cooked and mashed. And I cook my sweet potatoes. I don't do the can. And then I have flour. There's not many ingredients in it.
Oh.
So how high do I get to turn this up? Because
And
this
then-
could be fun.
Well, I go slow. I go slow.
And what was that?
That was the baking powder
Baking
and
powder?
baking soda.
Okay,
And then
okay,
we're
all right,
going to do the butter,
Butter?
room temperature, which this is
Right.
it'll work.
So it's not something you need to melt this
no.
way. Okay.
And then the sweet, the sugar.
Oh, yes.
You put just as much of that in there as you want. I'm all right with that.
Okay.
All right.
Stand back.
Let's stand back.
See, she won't even let me touch the control. She's seen me do this before. And just have at it, huh?
Yep, just do that. And it's
So
just-
where did this come from? How long have you been doing this?
Golly, day Moses. My grandmom used to do this.
Yeah?
And yeah, called Down Neckers, down Chrisfield. Everybody's got a nickname for something down there.
Right?
So here we go. Now we can.
Now we're getting
stand
busy.
up. Yeah. Another thing. Don't wear black. So, anyway.
And then that just kind of goes like
Yep,
that until it
just goes like
it
that.
becomes a dough.
Yep. As you see, it's a dough. I don't know if you can see that
So,
well.
so you learn, yeah, uh-huh.
All right, now, since it takes a while, I have some. And the thing to do, and when you make that, is chill it. Don't take it right out the mixer and do
Oh, okay.
Why?
it. So then, get my glove on. Usually need a glove, and I
Oh.
keep a,
How come we can't just take it right out of the thing?
because there's extra large. Okay. All right. And I do my hand, grab some up here, like that. You see how I'm doing this? And then we add a little more flour, because you don't want it to stick. And then you just roll her out. I usually do like a inch, quarter inch. It's whatever, your preference.
You mean as far as how thick? Okay. So you want me to do that?
Sure.
Okay. we're going to see if I have any rolling skills.
You might
Nope.
have to hold down the.
I'll start saying I'm just moving the whole thing around.
And I'm
There.
going to spray one, get her ready.
All right.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we're going to put it on a pan.
So chilled spread or rolls out better, rolls out easier. What do you feel like really thick biscuits?
Okay, that's pretty good.
Is that good? Right?
Then I'm going to set that right here.
Okay.
Then
Let me
we
get some of
take-
your things out of the way here.
Dip it in flour so it don't stick.
Oh, that's easy.
Could she have given me that job? No, I couldn't
No,
have that job.
I
The
gave
fir-
you the hard job.
The first time I did this, I didn't look at the baking powder and all that. And when I made them, they looked like Frisbees
Oh,
because it
boy.
was double acting. So it's trial and error when you do this.
Well, I was
You
going
can
to
catch
ask
it, you
you,
can eat it.
what's the biggest mistake folks make when they
That-
make biscuits? Well, I guess that's one of them.
That's one of them. And then, like I say, make sure your dough's chilled, because I thought, well, I'll hurry up and do it. No, don't do that.
Doesn't work that way.
Takes
Okay.
time. And they're like snowflakes. None's going to look the same.
Sure.
And that's the whole deal.
Thought
They're
about that.
So you put them in the oven for how long?
15 to 20 minutes on 350.
At 350.
Roll
Okay.
that out.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Here I am,
All right.
taking off, just doing my thing, you know?
You got her.
So how many of these do you make a year, do you think?
Oh, I don't know. Jamie criminy.
One or two.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a.
Well, there's some of it. I guess I have to put
And
the
my
rest of it
husband's
together.
my biggest critic, and he loves them.
Yeah?
He loves them.
Yeah, so
Oh.
if he's in a mood, here, hon, you want a sweet potato pie?
Now we know the secret.
No, he's good.
There you go.
Okay, got
One more. Gotta get
There we go.
even
Oop.
dozen.
All right.
Goes in the
Yep,
oven.
goes in the oven.
350 for
Boom, 15 to 18 minutes.
15 to 18 minutes. All right. Well, we're going to check them out here in a minute, but right now we need to take a little break, and when we come back, can we make the sweet potato pie?
Sure.
All right. I'm going to hold you to that. Stick around. DelmarvaLife will be right back.
Our sweet potato journey continues in the DelmarvaLife kitchen this afternoon. We popped the biscuits into the oven, and we are now on to the pie.
Pie, sweet
Pie.
potato pie.
Mhm.
And what you have all the ingredients
Yes,
here, so we just kind of
Yep,
throw them
so we're
in.
going to put in the
This is
sweet
this
potatoes.
is
It's
sweet
like-
potatoes
yep,
again,
you
cooked
can-
and mashed.
They're cooked and mashed. Mm-hmm. Then we're going to do the sugar, and that's brown sugar and granulated sugar mixed.
Oh, you use both.
Mhm.
That's interesting.
And then I'll be doing the eggs. real
You're
quick.
going to beat up the eggs, so I
Yeah.
just put in
Yep.
the sugars, plural. Okay.
I'm fixing the sugar.
Yep, there you go.
And then we do the butter.
Butter. Oop. See if I can get it out of there without having a.
Here's
There you
a
go.
spoon. Okay. And then there's the eggs.
Eggs, and these were 3 or 4 eggs.
It was 3 eggs.
3 eggs beaten. All
And
right.
then a half cup of milk.
Half a cup of milk. Does it matter what kind of milk?
No, which I like whole milk.
Whole milk.
I want it all.
You want it all. I'm with you there.
All right, and that's nutmeg and cinnamon.
Nutmeg and cinnamon. Putting both of those
vanilla.
in.
Then we just
And vanilla.
put her in.
Okay. And then I assume this is the part where we make some noise.
Yes.
Okay. I don't have the flour, so I don't have to worry as
You want
much. Well, I see you.
Oh,
You saved some on your apron.
Just in case I need it later.
We can do one of them smiley faces.
There you go. It just shows you did hard work, Jenny.
Yes, that's right.
You're going to wear that home so Carol can
Darn
see
tootin'
it.
I am. I'm going to be sitting
And then
at my
she's
desk
going to
like
say,
this.
"Where's my sweet potato biscuits?"
Oh,
So Terry, how long do we
Just
get
to make it look that it's good incorporated.
good and incorporated? So does that mean all the little
The butter chunks will dissolve when it's
be
baked.
dissolved? Okay, all right. And now you already have
Now,
the crust
I did
there.
a crust, but it's best that you bake, or call it blind bake, your pie crust first. So that's what I've done here.
Okay.
So when it's ready, we'll
Do you think it's ready? Can you see in there? We need to get you a box to stand on.
come on, Terry,
That's
stand
pretty
up.
good. Yeah, put your. Yeah, that's pretty good.
That's
yeah.
pretty good? Okay, good.
Oh yeah.
Good. All right. Oh boy, look at that. Of course the butter is all gonna melt. And we just pour it in there.
Have you got it?
Yeah. Now it looks like we have more filling than,
Well, I can keep it, but I brought an extra pie.
Just in case.
Just in case, always prepared.
have some
Okay,
in.
so that's there. That's that.
And-
And then it goes in the oven?
Yep, but I'm going to set that right there.
And how long does it cook in the oven?
Oh my gosh, I do it. I do it to a fork or a
Okay.
knife comes out clean, but it's like a 45 minutes to an hour.
Did you notice how I was wearing the oven mitts while she's putting it in bare hands?
I saw that.
You did good.
Well, just trying to help any way I can.
So obviously,
And I have a pie.
Through
you
the
have a
magic
pie
of
right
TV,
behind us. So
look
one
at you.
already done there. You can go ahead and set it up here. And then I guess all that's left to do is taste and talk about all of the unique things that you make.
Let's see. Here's.
Tell me about these biscuits with the toothpicks in them, Terry.
Oh, that is sweet potato and ham.
Oh,
And it's really good if you do a honey ham, but I didn't have a honey ham, so I just did regular ham.
well, I bet you it's still pretty good.
So tell us about Taste by Terry.
Taste by Terry's. I
While
started
you're
this
cutting
about-
the pie.
I don't. I started this about a year ago. My husband is big into gardening, and we started using his stuff. So I make tomato jams and fruit-
Pepper relish.
pepper relish. Yep. And so that instead of wasting it, and by summer everybody's kind of like, "Well, I don't need no more vegetables." So I started doing it because down home you leave your car window open, somebody's going to stick something in your car
Oh,
while
okay.
you're gone.
All right.
Okay, let's see what we got here.
Yeah.
Hopefully I
So,
can
so
do
did
this.
you learn this from your grandmother too?
Yeah,
or
my grandmom, she was down Necker, yeah.
down there.
She was something. And my other grandmom used to make these things called soda biscuits. I don't have the recipe for that, so it don't matter
I've
because I
heard of
can't get
those.
under there.
There you go. So we can get in there and get some of that out of there.
And they do
This is
yeast
some-
rolls. I enjoy it. It's going to break a tooth.
No, it's not. No, I can tell you right now, this ain't.
Can you
This
get her?
is, it's not going to be pretty. I never do the first piece right. I
Nobody
always,
does.
always make a mess of it.
There you go.
All right.
But-
let me pass that one on to you, Lisa.
Oh, okay.
But what it is, I have a booth down at, it's called the Maker's Mark, and that's in Georgetown on Seashore Highway.
Oh, really?
And you can go there if you like something, and also, or you can email tastebyterrys@icloud.com.
And we will have all of that information on our website, DelmarvaLife.com. Click on what's happening today. All right.
Going in for some more of that because I know that's good.
Yeah,
Do you
I'm
like this
crust.
as much as you make it look like?
Oh yeah, that's why
Why?
I'm short round. Yeah,
Why do you like doing this so much?
I just enjoy it. It relaxes me.
Yeah.
And you're good at it.
I don't know. Let me know
Oh,
what you
my.
think.
That is delicious.
We might have to eat the rest of the
Oh, no,
pie just
you
to be
can-
sure.
Yeah,
can-
I think you're right there. So it's Taste
Taste
by Terry. And tell us where the market is. It's in Georgetown?
It's on Georgetown and it's on Seashore Highway, 1657 Seashore Highway, and they have all kinds of crafts there, homemade stuff. They do stuff for the children. It used to be called the Red Barn, if anybody recalls that.
Anybody special coming in anytime soon?
Oh yeah, we have Santa Claus going to be there December 6th, and they have food trucks and gifts, and they do taste tests. They have a thing called skinny syrup, and they're featuring that, and you can come in and sample that. You can put it in your coffee, or if you have Sprite,
goodness.
you can doctor it up. Yeah.
Sure. Well, Terry, thank you so much for coming in.
thank
and
you.
this is amazing.
Well, thank you.
Delicious.
Did you try one
Oh,
of
no, I
these
haven't tried one of
yet?
these yet.
Go ahead and do that. And we'll
Thank
see
you.
you next time.
Okie dokie.
All
Well, I
right.
appreciate it. Thank you.